That beginning itself needs an explanation. Modern cosmology didn't disprove a creator. In a strange way, it brought the conversation right back to one. Now leave physics behind and look at hard, documented history. Jesus of Nazareth is one of the most historically attested figures of the ancient world. We have more manuscript copies referring to him, and copies far closer in time to the events than we do for most other major figures of antiquity. That doesn't prove the resurrection, but it does mean we're not dealing with a legend slowly inflated over centuries. The documentation starts remarkably early. In fact, most historians, including skeptical ONS, date a short creed embedded in Paul's first letter to the Corinthians to within just a few years of the crucifixion. That creed lists Jesus' death, burial, resurrection, and specific appearances to named witnesses, which means the core claim wasn't a myth that evolved over generations. It was being formally recited within the lifetime of the people who said they saw it. Then there's one of the strangest artifacts in history, the Shroud of Turin. And I want to be careful here, because this one is genuinely contested. So let me give you both sides, honestly. It's a centuries-old burial cloth bearing the faint image of a crucified man. What makes it strange is that it isn't paint. No brushstrokes, no pigment, no directional lines. The image sits only on the very topmost fibers of the cloth. Now, you've probably heard that carbon dating settled this. In 1988, 3 labs dated a sample and got a medieval result, roughly 1260 to 1390. For a long time, that looked like the end of the story, but it's disputed. One of the original 1978 Shroud researchers, Raymond Rogers, argued in a 2005 paper that the tested corner had been repaired, chemically different from the rest of the cloth. Other researchers pushed back hard and say the sample was representative. That debate is still open, so the honest position isn't medieval case closed, it's the date is unsettled.